user names. So then what I will do, then I will remove the duplicates by using a set. Means I'm created a set. So here I'm removing the duplicates. Mean that in 5 users, 2 users are the same name. So in that I'm going to remove the duplicates. So after fourth point you gave to sort alphabetically. So this things I need to sort. I'm using the list. So by using this, I can sort the usernames by alphabetically. Then I'm going to print. So means you ask us to print in using iterator and also using enhance for loop. So first I'm going to print the output by using iterator. So I'm going to create the iterator object here. So by here I using the while condition. So if it has the next element, then print that elements by using next. Means as next we are using to check next element is there or not. Then it dot next, it prints the actual value one by one. So this is the one way to print. And next I'm going to print by using enhance for loop. This is the syntax for enhance for loop, and I'm going to print by using this s. So if I run this, I'm getting the output. So this is by using iterator and by using enhance for loop, and here duplicates are removed.
Okay, awesome. Could you run one more time? That's okay with you?
Yes sir.
Could you run one more time? That's okay.
Yeah, sure. Yes sir, this is the output.
Okay, thank you. Please add the program to the chat. Thank you so much, Pavitra.
Yes
Anyone
sir.
else want to share the screen? Yeah, thank you.
Sir, shall I share the screen?
Yeah, sure, Dharani.
Is my screen visible? Hello.
Yeah,
Okay. So I have done the second program, which is API test response validator. So first, what I did was I created a list, array list, and you asked to get the name of the cities. So I'm getting the number of cities dynamically, and I'm getting the input using the for loop. And after I'm getting it, I'm using an enhanced for loop for printing the name of the cities. And after that, you asked us to remove the duplicates. So for removing duplicates, I used the hash set. I'm giving the input from the array list. And after that, you asked us to sort the city names. So for sorting, I used the tree set. And I'm printing those outputs using enhanced for loop. So now I'll be running my program. So maybe I'll give number of cities as 6, and I'll give the names as Chennai. So I given. So at first, sorry, I haven't given the duplicates. I forgot it. So if I had given the duplicates, now it had removed the duplicates in the hash set, and after that it is sorted using the tree set alphabetically. That's it, sir.
yeah, awesome, great, great, Dharani. Great, Pavitra too. I think one more assignment was there. Anyone else has done that?
Yes, sir, done.
We have done, Rajesh. Okay, please share the screen.
Yes. Yes, sir. So, sorry.
screen is not visible, yeah? Yeah. Okay.
The basic
Not visible yet. I'll tell you when it's visible.
basically the question was like we have to create a list of map. So what I did is like,
So Rajesh, I'm not able to see the screen. Could you please reshare? I think anyone else is able to see Rajesh's screen?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
so
Raj, if possible, could you reshare?
I think my network is slow, sir. Sorry. Getting
Okay. Okay, no. If you are not able to share, I'll try to shall I tell the program? That's okay. So, guys, how many of you have understood the two of the programs which I think Pavitra and Tani has shared? You guys have got an idea how it
Yes,
is?
yes. Mine is-
Okay, sure, Rajesh. Let me share the screen. Let me tell us the program if you're not able to share the screen. Is it okay? All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, now let me share the screen. And also, I'll give a glimpse of what exactly is comparator and comparable last time which we have discussed. Okay. So now, is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Give it a second. Okay. So have you guys understood the comparable class yesterday? I will also share the assignment. Just a second. Have you guys have understood a little bit of this comparable class? Was it tough? Was it understandable? Not understandable?
Bit tough, sir.
It was tough. Okay. Okay. Let me explain that too. Okay. First, let me go to the program. Okay. What was the program? Testing needs team loads test users. Okay. It needs ID, name, and role. 3 user tests, print all records and follow, fetch by ID. Okay, good. So let me write a class. Okay. Just understand, guys, it's very, very easy. Whenever we get to questions like this, it might look tough, but only thing is for understanding purpose, it's actually very, very, very easy. You have to just understand the question and understand the topic. Just see here in the screen, I'll try to recreate what and all the questions I've asked. Okay. So let me get right click. Again, my system is little slower. Sorry for that. That's why hey, I don't like the Windows system that much. But yeah, it's all right. Totally fine. So let me just write test data loader class. Okay. As soon as I write it down, please, if you have any questions, understand it. Okay. I will be asking the questions parallelly. How do we create it, this, that, etc. Now, according to the question, what is the first thing we have to create? Do we have to create a list?
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
So we have to create a list, but it should be in a map structure. Map should contain ID, name, and role. Okay. Tell me, how do I create a list? And what exactly? Why do we need only list, um, not set? Tell me that first. What is the difference between list and set? Difference between list or
List
set?
accepts duplicates and set doesn't accept duplicates.
Good. So list can have duplicates. Basically, we are adding array list or linked list, etc. Sets will remove the duplicates. Now, take example here only. We have two Divyas, two Sharads. If you are using set, one of the Divya will be removed or not added at the end. Two Sharads, one of the Sharad will be added. Okay. So that is the reason first thing we'll use a set. Now, I'll write what is a set here. Let us write set as a kind of users which we want. Okay, I'll explain what exactly we have to add. New array list.
Yes.
Okay, good. So hover it and just add it as a Java util dot star. Okay, if you're not getting it, okay, let me click on here. Okay, import java dot util. Okay, instead of array list, let me put dot star so that all the libraries are included. Okay, read the question again. I'm just telling you how we can do the assignment. So the testing team users from the data source stores them in a map structure. So remember, guys, I think in the Swiggy last time we have added. So if we are creating a list of class, we can add as a new object constructor more than one values. Okay. If we're creating a list of map, how do we do a map list? How we can add a map list? It should have ID, name, and row. ID, name, and roll, guys. You can have list as a string or list as an integer, whatever it is. Not getting? Okay. If you want string list, how we'll write it? String list. Yeah, sorry, go on, Rajesh.
No, sir, like how we used Swiggy Instamart, right? So similarly, we can have at least a map string.
Yeah, map. That's good. See, that is the reason why we can add. Tell me the map syntax now. How will write map syntax?
Map
Of
and
map.
map of like we have key value,
data types.
key and value.
Good.
String.
So can I write string and string? Is it okay?
Yes.
Am I getting any error?
No.
So what do you understand by this? So it acts like what now? It acts like a data type. So what is the syntax now? Go to the basics. List should have a data type, and
Variable.
it should have a variable name and new whatever array list or linked list or vector. Okay, these three should be there. So this is the syntax of the list. Now, what exactly is a list? Interface or a class?
Interface.
Interface. Array list is interface or class?
Class.
Good. So now let us create this list parallelly. Now, what do you want? We need 3 users, right? That is what the question was. Create a list of maps, add 3 user records. Now, tell me how we can create a map. What are the categories of map? There are 4 categories. Can anyone tell me what are the categories of map? Come on, guys, easy. Come on. What are the categories?
Hash map,
Good. Hash map.
linked hash map,
Linked
Linked
hash
hash
map.
map. Good.
tree map,
Next. Tree map. Good. Afterwards.
hash table.
Good, Pavitra. Awesome. So there are 4 varieties in map. Okay. Again, if we want to add null values, if you don't want to add null values, tree and hash table will use. If we can also add null values, we'll use hash and linked hash map. Okay. So what is the difference between hash map and linked hash map? Simple difference is there.
Hash will give random order, linked will give the same order.
Good. That's what I wanted. Good, Dharani. Good. Chalo. Let us create one map. So can I take the same thing here? So we need 3 users, guys. Okay. Can I write user1 equal to, shall I take hash map only? Anything
Yes,
we can
sir.
take. Let's take hash map. Now it should be new hash map. I think that is the syntax. Okay, let's see. Good. Okay, three things we have to add. So what are three things? ID, name, and role. So user one dot. How do we add a map? Add or put?
Add. Sir, put.
Okay, good. Add is for list, set. Put is for map. Okay. Now,
Maps.
since
Maps.
here coming null and null because you have get string and string, the default value of a string is null. Okay. So first should be ID.
ID.
Second should be copy, paste. ID, name, and role. Okay, name. Third one is role.
Role.
Okay, now. Okay, tell me one of tell me one of the name. Which are the name you want? We
Pavan.
have yeah,
Pavan.
Pavan. Okay, so let's add Pavan. Let's add Pavan's ID will be 1. Again, it should be in double quotes because we have given string. Okay, if we give int, it can be. Sorry, we should not give int. We have to give integer. Wrapper class will use. Okay, it will not work. But for now, we'll use string only. Anything we can do, guys. Okay, if you have given string, it should be always in string. Let's say role of Pavan is
Tester.
tester. Let's write QA. Okay. So 3 users we need. We can add like this. Dynamically also we can add. Okay. For now, I'm just adding it hard coded value. Again, you'll ask how we can add dynamically. This is a string. This is a string. Scanner class. Always ask what is the ID of the first guy, what is the ID of second guy. We can easily do it. Okay, not an issue at all. Again, user 2. Tell me another name. ID 2. Any other name?
Sneha.
Sneha. Okay, good. Sneha. Sneha can be developer. Okay, good. We have 2 users. Let us add the third user. User 3. Let us see ID as 3. One more name, guys. Okay, let's see one more name.
Virat.
Virat. Again, Virat? Virat in school also nowadays. Good. So he was the man of the series, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Batsman, something like that. I know the three don't coincide, but just make sure that Virat is a batsman. Now, again, what is the name? So 3 users we have created, we have fulfilled. Print all the records using enhanced for loop, fetch by user ID. Now, we have to fetch by user ID. How we can fetch? We have to.
So in the
So there are
17th line,
yeah.
user 2 dot.
User. Okay, tell me.
17th line, it's user 2 dot put ID.
Okay. Oh, thank you. There. That is the reason we are getting the yellow line. Good. What do you mean by yellow line here? See here, yellow line is there. What exactly do you mean?
The value is not used yet.
The variable name which we have created is not used. Correct. Can I do users? Okay. Can you see one more here? What exactly is this? Have you guys done SQL?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You see the first column here. What exactly you can see the first column in user 1, user 2, and user 3.
Their field name.
User.
Doesn't it look like key? Primary key, foreign key?
Yes,
You guys
sir.
have not read.
Primary.
Okay. When you have a primary key, this and this user 1, user 2 can be joined. Can join, right? So you can give ID, name, and role. It can be 1 Pawan QA, 2 Sneha developer, 3 Virat batsman. Because it's a common value, common column. So we are using that concept only. So whatever we read, it's exactly the same. Only thing we are applying few more concepts here. Now we need to add all of this in our list. What is our list? Our list is users. Now,
Users.
how do we add users? Now, see
Use
here. It's okay. See, it's a map now. So, how do we add a list? Tell me the how to add a list. Users
users list dot add of user one.
dot add, right?
Yeah.
Of add of map. See the map
User
here. It is already giving a map. So it should be
user one.
user one.
One.
So if it is only user one, if I print it, how what it should be the value? What should be the value? Wait, let me this out. Yeah, understanding, guys. Easy. Just you have to understand the question. Easy or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
See, role QA Pawan ID 1. So this is one list.
Hmm.
It is just a one value. That's it.
One more.
Because you have given the data type as map, it is one value. If it is not a string, it would have taken only string. Now it is a list of a list. So inside a list, we are adding the map. Now, can I add more now?
Yeah.
So
user two and
users,
user three also.
okay, users to dot user 2, user 3. Dot user 3. Understood? Now if I run it, all three should be there. All three are lists now. See, we're adding in a comma. All three are lists. Good.
Yes.
Now, awesome. So what was the question? Do I have to print all the records by enhanced for loop? Now you tell me how we can run enhanced for loop. Enhanced for loop.
For
Tell me the enhanced for loop syntax.
For
For
data
data
type
type.
variable
Variable.
colon
data type
array or
variable
collection.
Array or collection. Good. Now, sorry.
collection or array.
Okay. I think there is a lag there, Rajesh. Maybe you're saying, I think I was not getting it. Sorry for that. Okay, go on. Tell, what is the data type now? Again, what is the data type we use?
For map string of string.
See, this is our data type. Now just add the data type. Now tell me a variable name, any variable name. Any variable name. Where only will use.
Where?
Okay.
Yeah.
What is the what is
Users.
our collection name?
Users.
Good. So users. So open and close bracket.
Map string.
Now I'll do what is out of var. Right? This is out of var. So yeah, I'll just comment this one for you guys to understand. Run as Java application. Did type properly, guys? Good.
Yes.
This is done. That was the first question. Now, what was second question? Now, fetch user by ID. Now, imagine real life. This is a SQL. This is SQL we are having. So three students or 3 employees have joined in my company. Sneha, Virat, and Pawan. Now I want to fetch their details as an admin or as a HR. I need all these details. So I'm adding it through the map, but in real life, we'll read from the database or an Excel sheet, etc., which we'll see today or maybe from tomorrow. We'll start the file reader, buffer reader, etc., to understand it properly. So that is a real life scenario. Now, if I just fetch by 2, if I get from scanner class 2, it has to give the name Sneha and the role is developer. If I search by 3, it has to get Virat or batsman. Okay, understood? That is the logic which we have to follow. How will follow? Again, can I use scanner class? Can I use scanner class? Okay, tell me scanner scan equal to
Yes,
new scanner system.in. Okay, system.in. So this can we will use to ask the ID. Now let us ask this out. Sys out, enter the ID value or enter the ID to search, whatever. That is what you want, right? So it should be next line or next string ID value equal to scan dot next line, right? Am I audible? No audible. Okay, chalo.
Both will work here now, sir. Next line and next.
Sorry, I didn't get.
No, next line and next both will. Here it will be the same only. Now we are
Yeah,
doing
it will
only
work.
one.
It will work. Yeah, we can use next. What's there? We'll try with anything. Okay? Now. So again, now what you have to do? We have to search through enhanced for loop only. So let me copy this. Okay. Can I do var dot? Am I getting something called role? No. Am I get something called name? No. Okay. So with var only you'll get a list. Okay. Now, do you guys remember getting the value? For example, var dot get. See, get is there. If I put get dot id, what will be the value here? Okay, let me comment this. You remember this one, guys? When we are doing maps.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Enter the ID to search. I'm just writing something, some value. Okay. See, it got 1, 2, 3. This is what we are printing. Now, this is exactly same. If we get an ID called 1, will we not get a value of the name, whatever the user?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sorry, guys. Still a copy is there. Sorry for that. Let me write if condition. So, if can I put dot equals exactly equals object?
Yes.
Okay. Equals. So equals ID val. So whatever you are entering, it should equal. So it is since it's a string which you gave, that's why I'm using equals. If I would have given this integer, everything will be everything will be integer. That is not ideological. That's why I gave string and string. So that's why we gave equals. Equal only works with string values. It's a string method. Can I write this out? Let's say user equal to plus get of what is there? Get of name. Sorry, var dot get of name, right? Var dot get of name. And can I write get of role? Once I get, can I break it?
Yes, sir.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Chalo. So, okay, let us write a flag also. Okay. Just to make sure flag equal to 1 or okay. Let us write properly. Let me write boolean flag equal to 0. Oh, sorry, false. Let me copy this. So once we found, we should be flag equal to false or true?
True.
True. Okay. So I'll write that true. Okay. Then we have to write a condition once the loop is over. If flag equal to false, it's a boolean, is a primitive data type. So we can use equal to. Sys out key not found. Is it okay? It's okay. Let us run this. So, okay. First, we have to display this exactly this value. Let me put. So, enter the ID to search. You have 3 IDs. Tell me one ID to search. That is good for positive scenarios. Tell me one ID.
2.
2. So we're getting user is Neha. Okay, we can change this here. Role is developer. Okay. Now tell me a negative scenario. 100. Key not found. Correct. Or to be very precise, employee not found. Okay. Let me run the NAS Java application. First, let me do a search. User is Pawan, role is QA. Let me run. Okay, let me add this properly. Let me go for negative scenario. 200. Employee not found. Correct. Assignment is good.
Yes, sir.
Tell me everyone have understood this. Slowly I went very slowly. Understood? No understood?
Yes, sir.
Good. Chalo. Let me copy this. I'll add in the description. Okay. So that you guys can copy it. Take all the assignments whoever have added, right? So try to add it in your computer. Try to execute it, guys. Unless until you execute, you will not understand. Okay. Okay. Let's go to comparable class yesterday, which we have understood last class. I think people have not understand. Okay. So let me add one more class. Okay. Let me just add CC. Something like that. We'll just do the same thing. We will try to understand what exactly it is. Now, what exactly we are doing comparable? So, comparable implements means what? Implements means what, guys?
Interface.
Interface. I understood. Implements we use to interface. But what exactly it means? What exactly it means, guys? Isn't it inheritance? Come on.
Yes.
Guys, you have understanding. Extends we use for class. If you're using implements, it is an interface, but it means there is inheritance happening, correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now go inside this interface. So interface should have incomplete methods or complete methods.
Incomplete methods.
Incomplete method. See, incomplete method is there. So now we have to complete this method by a class which is inheriting the interface. Understood? Till now, no problem. Understood? Good.
So please repeat it again. We have to complete the.
So okay. Wherever, okay, let's go to little. Okay, where is the other? What did I write for test, right? Some test data. Okay, now what is the list now? Interface or class?
Interface.
Interface.
Okay, if we go inside, will this have incomplete methods or completed methods?
Incomplete methods.
See, incomplete method, etc., etc. So this implementation will be completed only with the class which inherits. That's the logic. Okay. So for example, list has what is empty, size is there. Okay, let's go to test data loader again. If we go to array list is what a class which implements list. Okay, now you see it should have already, this is what okay, this is a parameterized constructor. You go down, it should have proper methods which has proper body. All the methods, if you have taken from the interface, They are all redefined, had a proper C object, grow. It is actually properly implemented. When I say properly implemented, the method is having a proper body. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, let us go back to test cc.java. If I extend, or sorry, implements, let me get the comparable class. Now, there are two types of classes, comparable, blah, blah. There is also one more thing which I'll discuss today. Now, it should, comparable, you go inside, it should have a T. What is this T? It is a class which extends to it. That is the logic. We have to give CC here. Till this point, understood, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you can see here, add unimplemented methods means what? What it will add here, tell me.
The methods which haven't been unimplemented in the interface.
What is unimplemented method for comparable? Just now I told you what is an implemented method in class. What is an unimplemented method? Compare is implemented or unimplemented? Guys, what is happening? Should I take another interface class? Inheritance concepts again? So what is, okay, tell me what is this 141 line?
Unimplemented method.
Unimplemented, right? Understood, right? So when I get an error, it is telling add unimplemented method. If I click, did it add or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now just see comparable. We basically use for sorting. What sorting? We will see in a second. So naturally, what exactly is used for sorting? Set. Which specific set is used for sorting?
Three sets.
Or
Yes.
huh?
Three sets.
Tree set. Correct. Now, if I use one of the set, let's take an example from here only. Since I've already done the previous class, I will take an example. So I've taken example of Purnima, Rajesh, Manju, etc., etc., etc. We'll take an example of that one. Then let me copy this entire thing. Okay, from here till the end point we will compare. Okay. Chalo. Let me go to cc.java. Let me copy the entire thing. Let me copy this. Let me copy this, etc. Okay. Now, I'll remove ranks and bytes just to not make it complicated. Okay. Now, do you know what is this? What is this?
Parameterized constructor.
Parameterized constructor.
Constructor.
Right. So, how many parameters are there?
2.
We have given 4. Okay.
4.
Okay. Now, if I remove 2, 2 will be there. Again, let me remove this 2 for every parameterized constructor. You're getting an issue, don't worry on that. Okay. We will sort it out in a second. So it is list should have CC as a parameterized CC again. You're understanding this? What exactly I did? List CC as S equal to new array list. What is this CC now? Just now we have discussed.
Data type.
Data type. Good. Nice, Rajesh. What data type is a? It's a class itself, but we are taking it as a data type. Now, now you see carefully. Instead of using this much, list will take only one value if it is only 51, 12, 10, 67. If I use tree set, right, will it sort properly? Do you want to see? So let me copy this. Everything I'm adding to for your understanding only, guys. Okay. Tell me, let me take this as a set. Tell me it is a tree set. Tree set. Now, everything I should add dot star. Now, I will not add, I want CC. Okay, S instead of S, I'll just add one, S1. So these things are there. I want just to type sys out of S1. Okay. Okay. I don't want to type everything else. If I just right click here, okay, we have issues. Huh? What is the issue? We don't have any issues.
So S1 dot add.
Okay, sorry. There, S1, S1, S1. Exception in the main, unresolved problems. Bytes cannot be resolved, not a field. Okay, where exactly is the bytes now? Oh, where did I add bytes? Line number 51 now. Oh, okay, sorry. Let us give this as 0 for now, okay? Run as application. See, you typed only 51 Pavitra. If I just give it as, let's say, integer, okay? And if I give only the value 51, 12, 10, and 67. So what should happen? Will it sort or not? What is the logic of 3?
To sort in ascending order.
It will sort in ascending order. Good, Pavitra, then Dharni. Okay. Even I'm getting a see 10, 12, 51, 6. Now, I want to use some other interface to actually sort an object, not only a single particular thing. So, tree set is totally good, but I want to do something here. For that, what we are doing, let me remove the set for now. Let me add this. So I'm doing collections of sort. Okay. Let me just type this one. Okay. What do you think will happen if I do collection.sort? Will it sort? What exactly will it sort?
The first value.
The first value. So let's see. Run as the application. See 51 Pavitra, 12 Purnima, 10 Rajesh, 6 Manju. Did it sort anything?
No, sir.
Right? Okay. So,
No, sir.
okay. So let me write Anju. Let's see. Run as the application. Pavitra, Purnima, Rajesh, Anju. Now, for that, what we are doing, we are using an unimplemented method of an interface. This one, compared to, which we just saw. Here, what we are using, a simple logic. Now, tell me what was that logic? I'll do a little back. This is the logic which we are using. Now, For that, let me delete this one. Now, instead of bytes, I want to give serial number. I'll come in a second. Serial number, serial number. See, the magic happens now, right? Run as. See, did it sort by serial number 10, 12, 51, 67? Did it sort?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what I'm doing, I don't want with serial number, I want with the names. Okay. Maybe Pavitra, Purnima, Rajesh, or let's say Manju with capital M. Let me add that line. So instead of here serial number, I'll give what? Name. So we are adding one more layer to sorting. One more layer. Name. So operator string, because it's a string, we are not able to sort. Okay, that's fine. So what we will do, I'll just add one more thing. Let's say int rank. And I'll give rank also here as an int rank. And I'll add this here, this dot rank equal to rank. So here also I want to print as toString if we call. If we don't call, okay, we are actually calling that. We are actually calling that method. That's why. Then we'll use rank. Okay. Tell me if you're not understanding. Again. If I'm going fast, tell me. We'll give Purnima 45th rank, Pavitra. We'll give Purnima something like 23rd rank. We'll give Rajesh something called 21st rank. Manju will give something called 4th rank. Something like that. Okay. Now, if I use this dot rank equal to O dot rank, you can actually see one more layer where it is not sorting from serial number anymore. It will sort with rank. You see, right? Run as the application. Did sort by rank for 21, 23, 45. You see the serial number is different. Manju came on the top. Understood?
Yes.
So this is what comparables is used. Basically, we use it for sorting. Yes.
So comparable won't sort the string, right?
That's a good question, right? See, go inside. So unimplemented method itself is a int. Okay. Now, if I use string, okay, if I use name, okay, let's see. Multiple markers, the return type is incompatible with comparable CC. So since it's a method which is unimplemented and taken from the interface, we cannot change anything. It should be integer only. Only int types it will be sorted. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Good. So there is one more.
So can you share the program in the chat also?
Yeah, sure. I'll share the program in the chat. You guys can just practice it out and let me know if you are not understanding it. Okay. Main thing is you have to understand by the end of the day, your understanding matters. Okay, how many of you have understood like collections altogether? Interesting, not interesting, boring, not understanding? How you guys are feeling it?
Interesting.
Interesting, good. If it is interesting for you, then I have no issues at all. Okay. Chalo. There is another one called comparator. This is comparator only, no? This is comparator. This is comparable what we have. There is also another interface called comparator. Similarly, we are having. Now, let me use two classes. So it will take hardly 5 minutes. If you have understood the comparable, comparator is a piece of cake. But for your understanding, I'll write one more class, which is C, let's say comparator return CC example, something like that. Okay. Finish. Main class. Finish. Now, I have to extend, sorry, implement again. We'll see what exactly is this. We'll go in depth, implements. We have to use comparator. Comparator. TOR. Comparator, we'll take an example of this only. Now, if I write like this, comparator, COMPARATOR. Nice. Java.util. We'll get an issue here, add unimplemented methods. Now, see here. It is having a int compare, but there are two instances of a classes, means two different objects. You can see here. If you go little up, here we had only one instance to compare, one instance of a class. Here, comparator, two instances of a class is there. That is only difference.
So are you in mute, sir?
Oh, I'm on mute, is it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Please tell me, guys. I was shouting like anything. Okay, sorry. No. Again, what was the last thing you heard? Okay.
But
Now,
we have two instances of a class.
okay, two instances of a class we have. Now, here we are taking simple list. And what is this now in the list? Data type.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are taking the same parameterized constructor what we have here. So let me go here, copy this. Not everything you'll copy. We'll copy only two things which are very simple. So paste it. Comparator CC example. We need only two things. What are those two things? Serial number and the name. More than enough. So let it be one int. Let it be one string. So serial number, ink. Tell me, let's say 1, comma, a. Sorry. Again, how do we add it here? We have to write new of comparator CC example. and then we have to insert the values. Let's say 1 comma A, capital A. Similarly, I'll add copy this new. I'll just write 10. I'll just write 9, something like that. $51. This is, let's say, C. Just I'm writing 3 of the examples of the names, okay? Which is wrong. Okay, let me proper names. That will be better. This time we'll take okay, Divya is back. Divya and Divya Shri both are back. Divya Shri is there. Oh, everyone
Yes.
is there. Okay, let's say Nayana is back. Good, Nayana. Let me write Divya Shri. Okay, okay, only Divya. Maybe. Let me Preeti. You have 3 people. Nana, Divya, and Preeti. Similarly, which I have taken it here. Okay. Same thing, guys. Same thing. Whatever I didn't write anything else. Now, I want to sort it based on what do you want to sort? Name or serial number?
Name.
Okay, name. Okay, chalo. So, if you tell me name, how we'll write so O1 O1 dot name minus O2 dot name. That's the thing which we are writing, right? Now it's an issue here. The operator is undefined. Blah. What is the name? Okay, serial number. Serial number. Serial number we're writing. Good. This is what we were writing, right? Again, we were doing collections dot sort, etc. Let me copy that too. Let me copy this also. I'll tell you the difference. Don't worry. Hold your horses. I'll tell you the difference. So collections. Blah, blah, blah. Oh. Guys, somebody else is speaking. What is happening? So I want to sort this list. So sort is not there. What exactly is happening? We did sort with list, right? Okay, no problem. Maybe collection dot sort. Okay, now let us for the time being let us sort with name, which we were not able to sort previously. In the previous example, we were not able to use name, but we were able to sort by int. Okay. Similarly, let us use the same concept here. So if I want to sort, what exactly I have to do? Same logic. O1 dot name dot compare to another string, which is O2 dot name. Good.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You're not getting any questions, right? Okay, no issues. No issues. Okay. So collections dot sort. Dot sort. See, if we are using a sort, there is a list and there is a sort of a comparator also. Let us take this one. Okay. Now, I want to use first as a list. Okay. And second, I want to sort by comparator CC example. Mm, so we are getting one simple error. What was error now? Create a method compared to this example. Now, it is telling me to create a method, but I don't want another method. Okay, I've taken some example, some class which has this comparator example. What if I take another class? Okay, what if I take another class? Let me write another class. Class, maybe test, implements comparator of this example. Just doing some work around. That's it, nothing else. Okay. If it implements, what will happen? It should have unimplemented methods. Okay. Now, instead of adding it here, okay, let me copy the same thing. If I just copy it here, if the test implements comparator, if I write one more class, or if I just call test here itself. Let me copy the entire thing. In the main method of this class, so instead of S, I can just use test. Okay, what exactly is the issue? Create method. So yeah, test is already a class. If I write this is the public class, if I write this as a normal class, will it work? There should always be a one public class. Okay, so it has a class type must be have its own. Okay, okay, understood. Method. Create method. Static comparator test. Okay. Okay, no problem. Or we can do, okay, if I write new, what will happen? Add arguments to match. Okay. If I write new here, what will happen? Oh, okay, good. Okay, let me add this. Okay. Now, sort of list. List. What do we have to sort here? I won't directly put the list. Okay, I don't have to call this. How did we call in previous class? Sort of, yes. Okay, fine. List directly we can call. Let's say this out of list. We are not using tree here. We are using list. Naturally, list will not sort it, right? So let me run this Java application, but I want to run as a test. Okay. See, did it sort by name?
Yes, sir.
See, I did a name which is compared to the other name, but only thing I took two classes. The class which actually implements, this is not needed for it. Okay, if this is not needed, I think serial number, name. Even this is not needed. Even this is not needed. Okay. Now, I am taking class which actually implements the comparator, but it takes a class of this. Okay, let me add it. That's all right. And this class has serial number and the name, okay, which is already there in this as a global variable. Once we are inheriting this particular class with this implementation of a comparator, can I write O1.name and O2.name?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So we are actually using Nayana, Divya, and Preeti. Now, if I use serial number, can I use like this? O2, since there are two classes, O2, sorry, 02, O2 dot serial number. If I run this, test only, click on OK. So we are getting like this. So maybe I can run it for each loop for comparator, CC example, is a data type, CC colon list, this sort of CC. Okay. Oh, awesome. So in this, we are not able to sort it by serial number. Good. Okay, we don't want this by that. If I use test, list. Okay, this is the only thing we can use because list has the same thing. Okay, not an issue. So O1 dot name dot compare to another string O2 dot name. So directly I can print it. Run as the application. Good. Test. 1 second, guys. So I don't want this. Did I write it correctly? So yeah, I did. So let me run it. Run as the application. Good. Test. Oh. List dot. We have dot. Oh. Okay. Did we miss something? If I copy this, paste here. Hmm. Hmm. If I just copy it here, it's a sort of list. Nice. It's going to reference. What they're doing is. Did we miss something, guys? New test, something like that. Nice. If I run this, what will happen? Thing is, okay. Comparator. Okay. If we can create another class, if that solves the issue, test 2. I'd love to do it. Let's see. I still don't understand what exactly is the issue, but let's see. Copy this. Copy that. So let us run third one. Test 2. Oh, nice. Nothing is coming, by the way. So whatever the issue is, it's in the main class, not in the subclass. Oh, if I remove the, will it work? Oh, nice. It will not work because system should be there. If I take an interface, class only, let's see. Will it work? The test. Okay, nice. It doesn't work. New class. New class. Comp. Something like that. Okay. Let's take a class. There can be only one class, which is public. Add is already defined. Unresolved. Okay, line number 67. Good. Yeah. 71. What? Sort is not working. Why? Okay, let me come to it, guys. Like I literally saw it got added, but let's see. Maybe I can directly remove this class. Maybe I can add some other methods. Comparator. Maybe only test 3. Maybe I can delete this. Maybe I can import com.assignments.star. Maybe I can try with this only. Like let's say list, array list. So instead of compare example 1, I can use the comparator example 1. Good. I'll try to run this last time. If not, it's all right. Got the concept. Okay, nice. Mm. Mm. Is there something called toString? Let's see. Oh, we don't have toString also. Mm. Mm, hmm. Let me get back to you guys. Like, if do you have any solution for it? If you guys understanding it, what I'm trying to do? Serial number we are not able to. It's not comparing. Maybe if I delete one list, maybe if I add one list. List can also duplicate. Good. Nice. Hmm. So here I'm getting, because it's a string we have added. So if it is a class where I'm calling a constructor basically, which is a int and string. Hmm. And what I'm trying to do here, okay, let me remove this one. Maybe there is an issue here. Okay. Well, I'm comparing it properly. One and two. Let's put O2, O3, something like that. O2, O3. For enhanced application. Good. Guys, I'll not stop you guys. Let's see tomorrow. Okay, let me come. Maybe I'll stuck a little here. So tomorrow we'll start with file writer. I thought to give you class today. That's all right. Apart from that, like today's example, I've understood. So we have discussed one assignment and maybe comparable. So comparator, let me look into it. I got the result. Somehow I'm getting the values as an address. So this I'll look into. Like if I have issues, if I could solve it, I'll just put it in the group. Is that okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Got stuck there. That's sorry for that. Okay. Not an issue. Tomorrow we'll start file reader and buffer reader, where we'll read from the files. That will be really, really interesting. So we'll get the data from the file, whether it's a text file or an Excel file. This week, look through it. It's really, really interesting to catch up. Okay. Take it, guys. Thank you. I'll stop the recording there. Okay.